Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel Minute School. So in today's video, as usual, I will backtest my strategy on New Zealand USD, this time on the bigger time frame, the daily time frame. And before starting, I just want to ask you, how are you? How was your trading week being? I'm sorry because I haven't uploaded since a long period of time because I really was busy and I had a lot of works to accomplish. So hopefully in the future, I will try to upload more videos and some amazing content. So without wasting any more seconds, let's get started. On this market, I can see that the market is heading towards the downward direction. This market seems bearish to me. A lot of sellers are selling, are shorting New Zealand and buying US dollars. So I'm trying to go with the flow because the trend is our friend. Either the market here, the market is going down, we should follow it. We should go with the sellers. I don't recommend people, for example, this is a support and they buy from it. Look at these buyers who bought from this support. They actually got wiped out and lost their money on this trade. So hopefully this is a support and we broke it. This place now belongs to the sellers. I just want the market to come to this place again, to pull back to it again. Give me a signal. Give me just dodgy candle or spinning top or a bearish engulfing candle. Any signal that is telling me that the sellers at this place are stronger than the buyers, and hopefully I will continue to short the market with the help of my friend, the trend, and my take profit would be on this previous lower low because this place contains small amount of buyers which I don't want to get in trouble with, but I just want to guarantee that this trade will be a win. So let's run these candles slowly and see if our setup is happening. We actually touched this resistance with a strong green candle. This is not very good, but let's check the next two candles. Okay, this is a dodgy candle from the sellers. It's not a dodgy candle from the buyers. This is a great, this is awesome signal from the sellers. Because look at this, the buyers were really strong, but after touching this resistance, they were confused. And the sellers tried to push the market towards downward direction. Look at this. This week suggested the buyers went up, but the sellers were really strong and it pushed them towards the downward direction to close here, right in the end of the previous green candle. So I will check the sell. Definitely I will check my sell. My stop loss, as I always say, it should be above the last weeks. Here, it should be above the last weeks because the market already reached these highs. So it might reach them again after going in my favor. Just to be safe, I will make it here. And my take profit, as I said, it will be on the previous lower low. And hopefully we'll make some winning trade. This is a 3.51 risk to reward ratio. It's a lot of profits. So let's run these candles and see if our setup is accomplished. Let's run these candles. Okay, this is actually great. Look at this. We won this trend in the matter of like 2 weeks because I'm trading on the bigger time frame. But this strategy actually works in all the time frames. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. You can use it on any of your favorite time frame. So the same thing here. We actually broke this support. This support, you remember this support which we set our take profit on the support. We actually broke it. So this place now belongs again to the sellers. I will make the same thing, just go in with the friend. But the trick here, we should look on the past history if there is a strong support. Look at this. I can see that this is a strong support and it can reverse this whole trend. There is a strong support here. HP market. This is a very strong support. And as long as we didn't touch this support, I'm sure that the market will still continue to go towards downward direction. Here we still didn't touch this support. This support contains a lot of buyers and they can reverse me. Okay, they can reverse me. So as long as I don't touch it, I will still continue to go with the sellers. So let's run these candles and hopefully we will have a signal here from this resistance area. Okay, let's run these candles slowly. That's cool, guys. We actually pull back to this resistance and we got a strong confirmation. Look at this red candle. This is a very strong confirmation. It's really stronger than the previous two green candles combined. Okay, so this is a very strong confirmation to me. I will take a sell definitely here. This is a good entry, and my stop loss, as I said, it should be above any last week. This is the last week. I should make it above it. And where should I make my take profit? I have two options. I can make it here on the previous lower low for the safest option, and I can make it on this support which I told you before. This support is a very strong area that can reverse me. So I will try to make it here for the sake of this video. This is like a 4 risk to reward ratio. This is a fat profit trade and hopefully we'll win it because we were based on technical analysis. Uh, Actually, yeah, this is what I, because here, look at this. The market didn't actually touch this place exactly. That's why I advise you guys to make it here, to on the previous lower low, to make your take profit on the previous lower low, because this is guaranteed 80% to be triggered. Your take profit will be smashed and triggered. But if you want a higher risk reward ratio and of course a high risk, you can make it on a place which is far from your previous lower low. So actually we want this trade too, but here I will not take any sell. Why? Because we have this strong support. If we break this strong support, I will definitely take a sell. And here, because this is a very strong support and we broke it, this is a very strong signal that the sellers are really strong, and you can risk like 2% of your balance, because this is a very short trade. But let's see if we will break or reverse from this support. Let's run these candles. We seem to reverse, but we aren't sure. Let me draw a trend line to confirm that this downtrend is being broken. Actually, we are breaking this downtrend, but the strongest confirmation for me to break a downtrend, look at this, we should break the trend and we should break the previous higher low, this one. This resistance which we sold from, we should break it to confirm that this is now a trend, not trend, sorry. So let's run this candle slowly. That's cool, guys. We actually broke this resistance, and it is now officially a support. If we pull back to it and have any confirmation, then I will definitely go with the buyers now, because I'm sure that the buyers, look at this volume. These are really strong green candles. I will definitely go with them, and hopefully I will trade after having a strong confirmation at this support level. Let's run these candles slowly and see if our setup is happening. Okay. That's perfect, guys. The perfect confirmation on the perfect support level. The market went down here. We had a very strong confirmation. This is a very strong bullish engulfing candle at a support level. Hopefully, we will buy and we will make some profits. As I said, you can make it here on this previous higher high, but I have a stronger resistance here, and I prefer to make it here, because remember this resistance, the area which we sold from on the first trade, this is now contains some sellers that I don't want to get in trouble with. So I will just make my take profit here, because at the end of the day I'm sure that the market will touch this place. Maybe it will reverse, maybe it will break, but at the end of the day I'm sure that the market will finally touch this level. So let's take this trade and let's don't waste any more seconds. My stop loss, as I said, below any last week or below this level here, and your take profit should be here. This is like it's just 1.1 risk reward ratio, not a very high risk reward ratio trade, but just for the sake of this video I'm explaining my strategy. Okay, so this is like 3 winning trades in a row, based just on breaking and retesting and confirmation and reading the market. It's simple, guys. So let's run these candles and see if okay. So actually here we are starting like a range, because we were going down, we were going up. Definitely we'll start range. This is a support and this is a resistance. We will wait for a breakout. We will see who is the strongest. Okay. As you can see, the market is in a range. I don't intend to follow either the buyers or the sellers. Okay, seems like for me to a breakout. Okay, it's actually cool. Let me head back. Look at this. This is a very strong support. It's a very strong support. Why? Because we actually sold from it and we bought from it. And this strong support was really the major support of this strong range. But we broke it and we pulled back to it, and we have a confirmation. This red candle is a very strong confirmation. I will definitely take a sell. I will definitely take sell. My stop loss, as I said, it should be above any last week. This is the last week. I should make it here. And my take profit, I have a very strong support here. You remember this major support that reversed all this all this downtrend. It reversed it, and I'm sure that it will reverse this downtrend here. So there are a lot of buyers here, which I don't want to get in trouble with. At the end of the day, as I say, I'm sure that the market will touch this place. So I will make my take profit there. This is like a small trade, 1.16 risk reward ratio. Let's hope for the best and let's win this trade. Okay, we still didn't. That's cool, guys. We won this trade. So now I'm not sure, but let's see if the support will will get broken, or will reverse this downtrend. So let's see. Okay, actually I can take another sell here, because let me get back here, because actually uh, this is a very strong confirmation for me. This is a bearish engulfing candle. This red candle is stronger than the previous three candles combined, and this is a pattern. It's strong confirmation pattern for me. I will check my sell, and but I'm not really sure about this trade, but I'm up like 4 trades. If I don't win this trade, I will try to make more trades to compensate. So let's check. This is not a very short trade. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video, because I have seen this strong pattern. Don't trade on the same level twice. Just trade it for the first time. But let's see how this trade will go. Okay, actually we won this trade. That's cool. It's like now we are up 5 trades. Let's take a 6th trade and let's end this video. So this is a resistance and this is a support. Let's see which direction we will break. Okay, that's cool, guys. Actually, no. Okay. Just wait, please. You remember this resistance? This resistance, we broke it, and I was hoping when the market pulled back to have a confirmation, but this is not a confirmation. So I'm sure that now that the market will go down. So let's run these candles and see. Okay, yes, I'm waiting for a breakout. Okay, it's a breakout, a pullback. Okay, just wait, just wait. What's these candles? Okay, so here we broke this strong major support, which I told you before. I told you to risk a lot of percentage of your balance, 2%, because this will be a very strong trade. We broke it, we pulled back to it. And here, as you can see, that the buyers are having some weeks. They didn't have any weeks here, but after touching this resistance, they had some weeks. Let's run the next candle. Okay, okay, as you can see, this is a very confirmation for me. It's a doji candle followed by a red candle from the sellers. I will definitely take a sell, and hopefully this trade will have a high risk reward ratio. So let's make it here, and my check profit should be here on the previous lower low. So let's run these candles and hopefully we'll win this trade. That's cool, guys. 6 winning trades, a lot of risk reward ratio have been accomplished. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Join me in Telegram if you want. I will leave my ID on the description. Goodbye, guys.